Are you for real expecting to make money selling this? Okay, girl, I can literally make hundreds of thousands selling patches. Actually, everyone can, duh. Hello everyone, today we'll be busting a popular myth that you need to sell luxury items to make significant profits. We'll also discuss how you can start a thriving online business with Sellvia even if you're new to the game. Let's dive in. First of all, let's face the general misconception about e-commerce success that is so common among those who want to start this business. Many newcomers think that to make a substantial income from e-commerce, they need to sell high-end, luxurious items like premium gold watches, diamonds, or designer clothing, or at least something that originally has top quality and serves some practical purpose. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. And I'm not saying that a nice quality, beautifully designed oak chair is worse than a simple plastic one. It obviously wins judging at least by the looks, but what I say is you can make a lot more money selling simple plastic chairs, for real. No joke. It matters just how you market them and to whom you sell. That's it. Not to mention how cheaper it is to make a simple plastic chair than a high-end oak wood one. So at this point, just remember that the key to making big money in e-commerce is not selling expensive/luxurious products. Let's address all the real factors that make selling low-cost products a better solution to start an e-commerce business with. So why low-cost products can bring the amazing profits? First of all, the demand. Let's just face it, low-cost products have a wide appeal and cater to a broader audience because they are simply more affordable. Remember I mentioned plastic chairs? And now imagine how many not just households, but small businesses, cafes, malls, etc. need such chairs. The only requirement all of these buyers would have for a chair is that it's basically a chair and it serves its small purpose. That's it. This leads to higher demand, which in turn drives higher sales volumes. The second factor is lower investment. Lower priced products typically require a smaller initial investment. This means you can start your e-commerce journey without breaking the bank and scale your business as it grows. And number 3 is faster inventory turnover. Affordable items tend to sell faster, leading to quicker inventory turnover. This keeps your cash flow healthy and allows you to reinvest in your business. All these factors let you start a business so fast and easy, especially an e-commerce one. And guess what? Some entrepreneurs have already taken the advantage and reached the stars with their business's revenues. For example, the redheaded t-shirt store has made a fortune on Amazon by selling, yes, patches. Patches indeed are a definition of a simple, low-cost product. Anyone can afford buying a patch. They are easy peasy to get. You can either dropship them, avoiding the patch creation stage, or buy a sewing embroidery machine, which is a one-time investment only. And patches are easy to market and sell because of unlimited design options, their ability to help people make a statement with their looks. This all leads again to a faster inventory turnover and sales. Selling patches for profit on the example of redheaded t-shirts business case. Redheaded t-shirts is an Amazon store that just sells clothing patches with fun designs. Despite the average order value being only $10, the store has generated over $600,000 in lifetime revenue with a total of 63,851 orders, plus offering only 811 items. Redheaded t-shirts proves that you don't need tens of thousands of products in your catalog to make a killing. So how did they achieve such success? There are 3 main factors that have contributed to redheaded t-shirts revenue growth. Utilizing Amazon's tools. Amazon offers sellers various tools and features to promote their products. And redheaded t-shirts knows that Amazon's algorithm itself is kind of one of those tools too, because it literally promotes products organically itself if they are unique. So if your products have exclusive designs like redheaded t-shirts patches, it's a big bonus. fun and catchy designs. Redheaded t-shirts creates eye-catching, unique designs that resonate with their customers. This has helped them stand out in a crowded marketplace and build a loyal following. By the way, here at Sellvia, we know everything about designs that sell and create tons of exclusive prints every day for various types of premium products. Click here if you'd like to learn more about the service or use the link in the description. Of course, skillfully designed product pages. In one of our previous videos, we already talked about factors that make a product page convert visitors into buyers, and Redheaded T-shirts knows the tricks. This store has well-structured product pages with attention-grabbing images, persuasive copy, and seamless user experience thanks to Amazon's interface. This obviously has been encouraging customers to make a purchase and leave positive reviews, further boosting their sales. Conclusion. As you can see, it's not about selling luxury items. It's about marketing your products effectively and providing an excellent customer experience. You too can start a successful e-commerce business selling simple yet profitable products like Redheaded T-shirts does and make thousands of dollars in profit. And we're here to help you start your online business fast and easy even if you don't have much experience. We offer a bunch of affordable solutions that can help you find an additional source of income and eventually achieve financial freedom. That's the goal we're striving for. Just book a free consultation with our team today and we'll explain how you can start an e-commerce business with no fuss, what tools you'll need or won't need, how you can avoid unnecessary expenses and save money for something that is way more needed for your future business. Don't let the myths hold you back from achieving your e-commerce dreams. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you found it insightful and maybe even a bit inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for e-commerce insights and business schemes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!